Good morning, children. How are you all? I trust all are fine and happy with God's grace. Today, we are going to learn about desktop and its parts. First of all, what do you think about desktop, children? As soon as we switch on the computer, we can see some pictures and text in the monitor. That is the first screen in the monitor. Now we can see this screen. This screen is known as desktop. The most important features of Windows operating system is the desktop and the window. Desktop is the first screen of Windows. Windows contain many ready-made programs, games, calculators or such programs. The example of desktop is table. Yes, desktop acts like a table where we keep our important stuff. In the same point of view, the desktop contains some useful items. Now can you understood what is desktop? A desktop is the first screen in the monitor. When a computer is switched on, a screen with small pictures appear. That screen is known as desktop. Clear, children? Now let's see the parts of the desktop screen. Children, we all are the human beings. As a human beings, we have many important parts in our body. Like that, desktop also has two main parts. That desktop screen can be divided into two main parts. First one is desktop screen, another one is taskbar. They are the icons on the desktop and the panel at the bottom of the screen. Clear, children? First one part, the icons on the desktop. Second one, the panel at the bottom of the screen. First, let's see the icons on the desktop. What do you think about icons, children? Did you see any pictures on the desktop already? When you switch on your system, you can see some small pictures on the desktop, isn't it? These pictures are called as icons. Clear, children? So, in the desktop, we can see some small pictures. All the pictures, clear, all the pictures on the desktop are called icons. Just look at this desktop screen, children. Everybody can see this screen. Can you say how many icons are there? Yes, absolutely. 7 icons are there. These icons represent a file, a folder or a program. We can open these icons by double clicking on them. Few examples of icons are computer, recycle bin, Google Chrome. First one icon name is computer. This icon looks with the computer picture. We can open this icon by double clicking on it. This icon represents all the drives, files and folders saved on the computer. Next, recycle bin. It's like a dustbin of the computer. Dustbin is a place where we throw all the unwanted things. In computer, all the deleted files and folders are stored in recycle bin. Children, this icon is very important icon because whenever you want to get back your deleted files and folders, you can get back easily from the recycle bin. But if your files are deleted from the recycle bin, you cannot recover them. Next one, Google Chrome. This icon allows us to connect to the internet. We can open this icon by double clicking on it. It is one type of the web browser. Nowadays, we are using many web browsers in our system. For example, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Opera, Linux, etc. Whatever web browsers we are using in our system, all the symbols of web browser are available on the screen. Now you can say which one web browser is using in this screen. So many web browsers are there. Among them, Google Chrome is given in the book. Children, now can you say what are called as icons? The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. We can open these icons by double clicking on them. Now let's see about the next part of the desktop. So next part of the desktop is taskbar. At the bottom of the screen, you can see a long horizontal bar. It is called as taskbar. This is most important bar in the desktop because from this bar, user can access quickly the current or favorite application with the help of the mouse by clicking the desired buttons. By default, it's placed at the bottom of the desktop screen, but we can move it to the top, left or right of the screen. This taskbar contains small icons such as Start menu, Windows Explorer, the programs presently activated, the volume control button, antivirus software, clock which shows the current time, and desktop button. Children, in the next class we will learn about the uses of taskbar icons clearly. Now let's remember once again what we learned today. Desktop and its parts. Desktop. When a computer is switched on, a screen with small pictures appears. This screen is known as desktop. This desktop screen can be divided into two parts. They are the icons on the desktop and taskbar. First one, the icons on the desktop. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. We can open these icons by clicking on them. Few examples of icons are computer, recycle bin, Google Chrome. Next one, taskbar. It's a horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop. It contains items like the start button, icons, clock and desktop button. By default, it's placed at the bottom of the desktop screen, but we can move it to the top, left or right of the screen. Children, I trust you understood about desktop and its parts. Thank you. God bless you.